Hi, this is Caroline from WDB&K, and today's recipe will be a risotto. And we have royal company. It's Good King Henry. Good King Henry! So this is Good King Henry. It was used as a vegetable for hundreds of years, but now it's forgotten, and it's a wild vegetable. It's easy to recognize on the form of the leaf and some sort of flower. It's the same family as quinoa, and you can use the seeds the same way that you cook quinoa. Chop 3 cloves of garlic, chop shallots. In some oil I roast my rice together with shallot and the garlic. In comes the broth. Make sure it is hot broth, so the rice doesn't cool down. Don't let anyone tell you that making risotto is complicated, because it is. Slice also a tomato and add it to the risotto. Just let it simmer on medium heat, and when you see that the broth has gone, just add a bit more. For the cheesy flavor, add a bit of yeast. I add the last bit of broth. So now I will taste some. Season with a bit of pepper. You can roast a bit of sunflower seeds if you like it. Add some fruity olive oil, your roasted sunflower seeds, some chopped basil and a bit of chili, and some edible flower petals. It's really good. I don't know why the Good King Henry has been forgotten. I really don't know why.